Hey guys, this week's tip of the week is dilute the FOMO. Now, what is FOMO? FOMO is the fear of missing out. Now, we as traders see a lot of opportunities and we can get a lot of FOMO, especially when we go down on our account. You go down on your account, you keep thinking you're missing opportunities. Now, all these opportunities aren't good opportunities, so it's okay to dilute the FOMO. Now, what I like to do is miss an opportunity. When you miss an opportunity, whether it went your way or didn't go your way, for me, it dilutes the FOMO. Even if it went the right way, miss another one, see what another one happens. Miss a lot of trades that you felt that you needed to be in and see what happens. You can dilute the power that FOMO has upon you by a step like that. Now find your own way to do it. This one worked for me and I'm trying to help you. So my tip of the week is dilute the FOMO.